Yo, it's me Luke, and I'm back with another video, and this video is special. It's an unboxing video, let's go! You guys voted on Twitter on a poll what I should get, Facecam or mic arm. And guess what, I posted it on Twitter yesterday. Won, so if you haven't seen it, it was between my Facecam and the mic arm, boomer, whatever, okay? So I got it, and yeah, let's unbox it, okay? It's my first unboxing video and it's with a phone, okay? So don't judge me, okay? I will try to open it. Not a fancy knife like everyone has a karambit, you know, this is just a normal knife. And I don't know, I hope I don't cut anything important. Perfect. I didn't do anything. Yeah. I ain't making any process, I see. Wait. I got to open it. I saw a little bit of it. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Open. Okay. Whoa. So this should be mic arm and pop filter. I don't know how they both can fit in here, but okay. I don't know. Oh god damn it, knife, where are you? Jeez. I'm gonna try this with one hand. If it doesn't go, no, I'm just gonna cut myself. Let's try. Camera. Okay, so you can see a little bit of the box there. I know this unboxing is very nice. Pop. I see something with pop. Okay. So maybe now you look, you see pop, newer something, okay. It was my first unboxing today. Easy. But oh, it's a package. Yes. Okay, see, the pop filter is there. Mic arm. It's in this black package. And we got them out. A beautiful lady. Looks like doesn't look like it. Okay, so here we go. Professional recording microphone stand. Yes. And I got it in white. That's what I did. I got it in white. Some simple instructions. Installation. No. I think I can manage it. So after I unbox it, I will show you how to install it. This. Turn it on here. Newer pop shield. Pop screen for broadcasting and recording microphone. Yeah. So yeah, this is the Tritons. So yeah, this is two things, and now let's go into my, what's it called, my setup, and I will show you how to install it. What? So we're at my setup. When I quick show you, Xbox TV remote, Xbox controller, just a normal controller with some, you know, little bit stuff. There's my blue Snowball, yeah. My monitor, the TV, you know, my mouse, headphones, yeah. Keyboard, very fancy. And here we got my laptop, my beautiful cable management. Yes. Oh jeez, yeah. But let's get the installment. I don't know. Put a little mobile, you know. This can go with it. Okay. Let's start with. Oh, don't say I need my knife again. Jeez, I'll try to open this with one hand. Oh god damn it. Come on. You know, I'm strong. I'm very strong. Oh, this doesn't look white, is it? It is white. Thank you, ladies. So, what we have? We have this stuff. I don't know. Oh, bubble wrap. You know what I will do later? I don't know. What is this? Just let me throw that on my bed. This you get. Yes, okay. This for the table, yes. And okay, let's put that on the bed. And you get this manual, I think, instructions. I don't know, whatever. We'll throw that away. Now the pop. The good old pop. I think I will need two hands again. Oh, jeez. Now two things. Same manual stuff like the other. Yep. Here's the pop. Oh, this stuff again. Yeah. Whatever. Check it out. Oh, God. A little bit. Very nice looking, yeah. It's like, I don't know, guys, this is some new stuff for me, so I've never seen a pop filter, so everything is new and interesting, you know. So yeah, here's the pop filter. Let's cover that up and put it on my bed. So now for the installment. I don't know how I do this because I'm with my phone, you know. Oh god dang. Okay, bubble wrap. Let's save for later with some ASMR. Oh yeah. Fantastic. So I don't know. Let's unfold it. Oh wait. No. That's not what we do. Let's take out the space. I need to sit down. Get him. Oh shit. Okay, sitting down. Okay, this out. There you go. Just throw that on the bed. Nice mechanism, I guess. Beautiful. How sure this goes wrong. Ah, okay. It's like IKEA all over again, you know. How will I install this? I think I need to look at the manuals. Oh jeez. Manual on the box. Okay, let's see. So let's see. Well, this explains a lot. Say what? Wait, what? Oh, it's that thingy. And then you're like... Okay, let's have instructions there, so I can see and everyone else. Oh, that thingy pops in there. That thingy. Aha, so this we need to install on the table. Let's do that. I thought of it going there, you know, like... I don't know if it could fit there, but it would not, as I see, so I will install it over there, so give me a second. Just like that. So, let me show you here. I need to go do this, like, whoop, whoop, you know, like we will, until this gets hold on that, so, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. Nice, steady, not moving. I mean, like, but it isn't moving a lot. Now we need to unscrew this bastard and get this on to there. Can't wait. I'm gonna like, oh shit. I'm gonna use my controller as something, you know, and my television remote to hold my camera. Ah, shoot. Well, I hope I didn't. Oh, shoot. First unboxing video is a fail, you know. That's how every first unboxing video goes. Just please don't fall. Which I think it will fall. Okay, just nice and easy. In there. Is this right? Oh shoot. I don't know. I don't know how much you need to screw that on, but it's, ah shoot, it's going really hard. Oh shoot, it's loud as hell. This, I guess, can go either way, like that or that. Okay, this is what I have right now. Very good looking. Nice. Now this needs to get on there, but for that to happen we need to take this that we got from the package as well. And no, we're not gonna use this. We're gonna use this. Let me sit down on the chair. If I saw on YouTube when other people did it, I think they just unscrew this thing, then screw it onto the Snowball, so just that left, and you're left with this piece. Yeah, that I can, I don't know, maybe put it there, somewhere here. Now let's take off this blue microphone, you know. Cable off. Now let's unscrew this bad boy. I really need to get a tripod, that's for sure. Okay. Now only the ball. And did I really start my computer? bruh, because my keyboard, you know, you only need to press, and then my PC starts. God damn it. Follow me on Twitter, and follow me on Twitch. Yeah. Okay, well, that's my computer. So yeah, now when you have this ball, can you stand still? You know, I don't think so. I'm gonna try to film as I do it. Just put it in there, it fits. Just screw it on. God damn, wait. Here I will need my right hand. You don't need to screw this in very far in. And then with this on, just, where is it? Pop it right there, screw it on. So I'm gonna, you know, screw this on, and yeah. Give me a second. So yeah, it's nice. Look at this. You see, look at this, look at this. Bam, bam, ba 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 ba. Very nice. What is this box doing here now? The only thing left is the pop filter. Let me get that really quick. Okay. We have the pop filter. Yes, I'm gonna, I think you just install it here on that, and then let me try something else. Okay, I will cut this video here, and I will quickly see how you put on the pop filter, because I don't know how. So give me a sec. So guys, look what I got on. The pop filter took some time. It's on, you know. Whoop. And yes, I don't know what more. Very good looking. So now only thing left is to plug this in and hope for the best. Oh, it's from up there. But look, it's glowing red now, so it's on. Yes, very nice. So I guess this ends the unboxing slash installment of the blue mic arm sets. So yeah, very good looking. Oh yeah. So yeah guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Yeah. Thanks for watching.